this video I'm gonna customize some fingerboards, build a little park, customize the park, and in the end I'm gonna try and do some epic tricks. So that pretty much sums it up for this week's video. I'm gonna walk you through this entire process, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like the video at any point. It's free and you can always change your mind. And with that being said, let's get into it. So, what do we need? So the objective now is to build some fingerboard obstacles with these materials. So, let's get this party started. Keep me in a cage made of tired ideas. It's rusting out faster by the day. Oh, where your leash, I don't take no deals. I won't stay quiet when there's so much left to say. And just like that, all the fingerboard obstacles are created. So I have a little rail that you can place wherever you like. And then you also have the main box that you can jump off, jump on, grind. However, it's not permanently assembled yet, because I first want to customize it, and that's where the fun part begins. So I would say that's the next thing on the to-do list. Let's go. And of course this all starts with prepping the panels. Both panels got their layer of gesso, so let's go to the garage to do some spray paint. I am not yet awake. First of all, I forgot to sand the gesso, then this happened. And now I realized that this one had to be orange and not this one. Fortunately, all things worked out. And while the spray paint is drying, let's work on a sketch for the painting. Sketch is done, panels are ready, so now let's transfer the sketch onto the panel. But first, let's quickly add some matte medium stuff onto the panels, so I'll end up with a nice smooth surface for my acrylic paints. So at this point, all the preparation is behind us, so the only thing left to do now is to start painting. This is it, everything is ready, so let's get into it. It's too hard to handle. And you know you're about to get it, and you can reach much higher now. You better believe it. You can look at the clouds fly by. Come on and let yourself enjoy the ride and fly a little higher, a little higher, a little higher. Slowly but steady, we're making progress. I want to let you know, oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside. So then after about 3 days of painting this fingerboard obstacle, it came down to the absolute last section of the painting, and once that was done, I just had to sign my work, apply a layer of varnish, and glue all the parts together. So I'm officially done with the fingerboard obstacles. But before I show you the end result, we first have to customize some fingerboards. Let's go! Back at the desk, ready to paint my little friend over here. Can't take back what we once had, lying awake, can't get out of my head. You say all your dreams are gonna, we're gonna let this go, we'll keep holding. So that's one done. I Let's paint the second one. And just like that, I finished all the pieces of the puzzle. This was once again a project I had so much fun doing. And if you liked the video as well, give it a thumbs up. That would be absolutely awesome and much appreciated. So guys, I hope you're ready. I'm gonna show you a proper reveal of everything I've created. Then I'm also gonna try and do some tricks. So that's pretty much everything I want to say. I hope we see each other very soon in a new video. And until then, take care. Let's try and do some tricks.
Oh yes!
Alright, I'm getting a hang of it. I'm 26 years old and I'm having so much fun with this. See you in the next one, guys.